Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a morning routine of the mother and yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, she's going to make some dinner. She's making pizza, another pizza. Next she's making gravy and vegetables. And now we have some mashed potatoes. Now she's telling everyone dinner is ready, and the teenager is a little bit moody, so she's bringing her food in to the living room. She's just going to have her dinner in there. The mother is always a bit shocked and upset when the teen is kind of moody. So yeah. Everybody seems to enjoy their dinner. Now she just collects everybody's plates and dishes, and the husband is checking up on his work emails. She's collecting everybody's dishes and putting them into the dishwasher, and everybody goes back to doing what they were doing. Now she's just taking the teen's plate and washing them again. Now she's just feeding the dog. And now she's bringing the 7-year-old up to bed. She's putting Lily to bed now. She's not going to sleep yet. She's just like watching TV and getting changed. Now she's coming downstairs to watch a bit of TV. Now the father goes upstairs for bed. Now the teen needs to go to bed, and she's not very happy about that. But I mean, she's not going to bed. She can watch TV and do what she wants. Now the mother's up with Lily, the 7-year-old, and making sure she's going to bed now. Also, really sorry for background noises. And she also has to make sure all the lights are off for her. Now she comes downstairs and she turns off all the lights. Now she makes sure the dog's okay and turns off the TV. Now she's just checking her text messages and replying to them. Now she's just upstairs and tells the teen she has to go to bed. Teen isn't too happy about that, but the teen can go on her phone for a little while. Now she's getting changed to do her skincare. She only does a face mask at night, and then she goes and she gets changed into her pajamas. Now she's going to put these clothes back. Now that she's changed, she's just going to go to bed. Thanks guys for watching. I'm really sorry about background noises. It's just my dogs playing, and sorry about that. Bye!